whenever you make a turn, you have to think as a change of direction, because lots of students, whenever I try to explain them for the first time what turn is and actually how to change the direction, the first thing they do, they just collect the foot, right? And then they step over this foot and then they're trying to rotate. Of course, there is no way in a fast music you will be able to do so. So whenever you actually want to turn, make sure that you turn in, you stand in foot, right? That's it. You rotate. And as I said before, right, you slightly pick up the heel. That is the easiest way to explain. Of course, later maybe I can explain you in terms of the body and the hips, like our rib cage, right? What else I can do in order to make a turn. But the basic thing is to remember is that I'm turning my standing leg, right? I slightly pick up my heel, I hold in my frame, and I'm using my head to make the turn.